Do you want to learn how to create awesome split-screen videos on your phone? This tutorial will show you exactly how to use CapCut to easily achieve a side-by-side video effect, perfect for comparisons, reactions, and more. The process is absolutely the same for both iPhone and Android devices, and the first step that we will do is to open the CapCut editing application on our mobile device, and after that, we'll click here to create a new project. That's going to open our photo gallery, where we want to select the first video which we want to add to our project. I have the video on my timeline in CapCut, and I'll just remove the watermark from the end of the video because I don't need it. Now, in order for you to add another video and put them side by side in CapCut for that comparison effect, or whatever you need it for, just click on the overlay button right here. And then add overlay. That's going to open our photo gallery once again, where we will select the other video which we want to use for our project. When we do add the other video, you'll want to pinch to zoom in order to make the second video bigger or smaller. And when you do resize the video, you can put it at the top or at the bottom of the screen, wherever you need it. And you can click on your first video in the timeline and then resize that video, position it at the top or at the bottom, or wherever you need to on the screen. When I now play the video, you can see that they're playing side by side, just like I need it to. We've created the split screen effect, and you can also change the aspect ratio of your video if you need to do this in a widescreen format or a 16 by 9, but I suggest you leave it at this 9 by 16 format. That's great for TikTok videos, Reels, and YouTube Shorts. But that's about it, everyone. If you need more similar CapCut tutorials like this one, then make sure you subscribe to App Tutor, and I'll see you in the next video.